So just to add as a quick conclusion, I think we've been able to solve all the problems we are able to solve. We've looked at the inclined plane. This is probably the most famous problem in all of physics and probably the one that scares the most people away from it. And hopefully now you have a good grasp on it and be able to see all the different 4 variations that we bring up of the inclined plane. And we've even added a pulley to that scenario. We haven't talked about the elevator problem yet, but on a second thought, I think it is better to group it into universal gravitation. So we'll actually talk about that when we get to the end of the week. But yeah, so that wraps up, I think, everything to do with forces. You should be able to analyze that. So we'll look at how to analyze, for example, if you go to an amusement park, right? You go to Disneyland and you have a roller coaster that goes in a loop. These are semicircular problems, motion basically going in a circle. That's not an exact circle in most of the time, but it's a good approximation. So we'll look at how to deal with a wide class of problems when things go in a circle, when the moon goes around the earth, the earth goes around the sun. A lot of physics problems are about circular motion, and we'll look at universal gravity. This will wrap up everything about forces. All right, so look back at all these 4 examples and look at some of the textbook examples of all the inclined planes. The more you practice with them, look at the end of chapter problems, the more you practice with them, the more familiar and more comfortable you will be. All right, so good luck with all that, and I'll see you in the next lecture.